Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing Maiah's wash day routine. And also stick around for the end. I'm also going to show you her nighttime maintenance. Anyway, I'm going to wash and condition her hair using the Aussie Mega Moist Nourishing Shampoo or Conditioning Shampoo and Conditioner, and my usual products using the lock method. Let's go. So one thing I do after I put the conditioner in Maiah's hair, I usually let it sit in her hair for about 10 or 15 minutes. But I also use that time to go ahead and comb out any knots or any tangles. It just makes it easier because she is extremely tender-headed. She's actually more tender-headed than Journey, and I don't get it because Journey's hair is way thicker. Like the comb just glides through Maiah's hair, but for whatever reason, she's extremely tender-headed. So this helps with detangling. So yeah, I just go ahead and detangle while the conditioner is in. Once I rinse out the conditioner, I'm gonna use this Wild Growth oil. It's been recommended several times by a bunch of y'all, so I finally went and got some, and some of y'all said the smell was a little odd. I actually don't mind the smell as much as with the Jamaican black castor oil. It's kind of pepperminty. Only thing, it does linger. I still smell this in her hair at the end of the day. But other than that, I actually really like it. I've been using it for about 3 or 4 weeks, and it does keep her scalp moisturized. So yeah, I'll probably do an update in another month or so to show you her growth and all that good stuff. So I'm just making random parts in her hair and placing the oil on her scalp. And then I'm going, once I do that, I'm gonna massage her hair in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my style. not going to spend too much time on this style in this video, simply because this is a style that I've done before and I've done it recently. So I'll just link that video at the end of this video if you want to see the full style. But yeah, this is a style that I've already done. It's Maiah's very favorite style. Like, she likes her hair like this better than any other style that I've done. So this is the style she asked for. But anyway, if you want to see the style, just, you know, click the link in the description box or at the end of this video. So here's the finished style, in case you just want to see what I was doing. Really simple style, but she loves her hair like this, and I like it too. I think it suits her. It looks most like her to me, so I like her hair like this too. But y'all, check out this growth. Her hair is growing so nicely. It's not growing extremely fast, but it's definitely not growing as slow as it was. So yeah, I'm really happy with her growth. And yeah, y'all tell me what you think. Does it look like it's growing to y'all? I don't know. To me, it looks like it's growing pretty fast. Oh, her nighttime routine is just like Journey's. I use the same scarf, which is basically just one of those do-rags that the guys used to wear back in the early 2000s. I just folded it in half and I tie it underneath her ponytail so that none of those beads, or if your child wears barrettes, so none of those barrettes are sticking in her head. So I just make sure to put the scarf under the ponytails and I tie it in the back and I put her satin bonnet on top, and that's it. By the way, quite a few of you have been asking me about these bonnets and when I'm going to get my store open. I promise you it is coming. It is taking a lot more than what I thought, but yeah, I'm going to have a chit chat video with y'all and explain the whole deal to y'all. And I will be having my first giveaway very soon, so please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace. All right, say bye.